is Asian Zen beauty. We focus on providing healing for your body, mind, and soul to help you. The best time for meditation is right after waking up or before going to bed. Practice for 7 consecutive days, and you will feel inner peace and experience transformation in your life. This is a meditation designed to help you enhance your sense of security. Find a quiet space and choose a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. We will start with slow, deep breathing, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Slowly inhale, letting the air fill each cell of your body. Slowly exhale, feeling all the stress leaving your body with each breath. Direct your full attention to your breath, for in this moment, nothing else matters more than your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Once again, let's take a deep breath. This time, feel your chest expand as you inhale. As you exhale, feel your body gradually becoming more relaxed. With each breath in, you are breathing in new energy, new hope. With each breath out, you are releasing tension and stress. Feel your body becoming lighter and more grounded. As you observe your breath, thoughts may pop into your mind. This is normal, and there is no need to resist these thoughts. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Imagine each breath in as a new beginning, and each breath out as a chance to let go. Inhale and immerse yourself in calmness. Exhale and let all external stress drift away with the wind. Now let's go deeper into our inner awareness. Bring your attention from your breath to your body. Feel the relaxation in each part of your body. Start from the top of your head, relaxing your forehead, letting your eyes gently close with no pressure. Relax your facial muscles, letting the corners of your lips slightly curl into a soft smile, feeling a bit of warmth. Then, relax your neck and shoulders. Imagine each exhale as peeling away layers of tension. Continue downward, relaxing your arms and hands. Feel them becoming heavy, gently resting on the earth. Relax your chest, allowing your heart to become warm and soft. Then, relax your abdomen, feeling it rise and fall naturally with each breath. Slowly relax your legs, letting them sink into the surface beneath you, becoming deeply stable and still. Feel the relaxation throughout your entire body, from head to toe. With each breath out, you are becoming lighter and freer. Now, we will tune into the voice within. Ask yourself, is there something in your life that makes you feel uneasy or anxious? What is it that is causing you to feel this way? Gently let this thought of unease or anxiety float up, like watching a cloud pass by. Don't judge it or try to change it, just observe. Observe the feeling and allow it to be there. Now, slowly release that feeling of unease. Imagine it dissolving with each breath out. Your inner peace is as vast as the ocean, and these worries and anxieties are just waves, briefly appearing and then disappearing. Gradually return to your inner calm and stability, feeling that each breath draws you back to peace. Now, we will focus on building a sense of security. I invite you to imagine yourself as a great mountain, standing tall and unmoved, grounded in the earth, no matter how the world around you changes. Your legs are the roots of the mountain, firmly anchored deep in the earth. Your spine is like the ridge of the mountain, strong and resilient. And your head is the mountain's peak, reaching high into the sky, connected to the universe. You feel the strength of the earth supporting you, grounding you, making you feel steady and powerful. With every breath, you feel an even deeper sense of stability. No matter how the wind blows or the rain falls, this mountain remains unshaken. Imagine the changes of the seasons around you, the freshness and warmth of spring, the passion of summer, the quiet of autumn, and the sternness of winter. No matter how the external seasons change, the mountain remains stable and serene. And so are you. No matter the challenges or changes in life, the inner peace within you is always present, deeply rooted in your heart. If at any point in life you feel a lack of security, remind yourself that you are this great, stable mountain. No matter what happens, you can maintain your inner strength and peace. If stories from the past, whether your own or others, have made you feel insecure, tell yourself that those stories are in the past. You are constantly growing and becoming stronger each day. When you possess this inner sense of security, your intimate relationships will also become stable. In love, never lose yourself. Always remember, security comes from within, not from anyone or anything outside. Whenever you feel uneasy, return to your inner self and find that steady mountain of strength. In every relationship, we are two independent individuals. We need to give each other enough space and understanding. When we let go of high expectations and demands, relationships will become more harmonious and stable. Imagine this sense of security gradually spreading outward, filling your relationship with love, trust, and understanding. This stable energy will naturally transmit to your partner, making them feel loved and understood. As you gain more control over your inner sense of security, you will no longer be affected by the storms within or the disturbances outside. You will find yourself becoming more grounded and peaceful. This peaceful energy will naturally influence those around you. Let the atmosphere of love fill your lives and spread into every interaction between you. You will realize that not only can you give yourself a sense of security, but you can also bring more stability and happiness to your relationship. In difficult times, I found some videos that provided me with guidance and peace. I hope this content can bring you the same comfort, letting you know that you are not alone. For more information, please click the link in the comments below.